I'm gonna show you my recently most favorite outfits. These are more end of summer, beginning of autumn outfits. I hope it inspires you. So the first outfit is just a basic tee and a colorful skirt. This makes the whole outfit. I would pair it, or I would pair every outfit with these glasses because I am obsessed, okay? I just love them. Yeah, so this is outfit number 1, and either I would wear these shoes or these. So this has been my favorite sweater for a couple of weeks. I would either pair it with this kind of red skirt. It's very flowy. Again, I think this makes the whole outfit. It looks like silky leather, but it's not leather. I just love the feel of it. It looks kind of wet. I don't know how to describe it, but I think also the color combination is so chic and unique and cool. Or I would pair it with these pants, and they're olive green, and I think also this color combination is very nice because it's giving strawberry matcha. I would pair this with a bag. Let me grab it. So I got this bag recently, but I think it fits the outfit. And I would pair this with sneakers. So the next outfit has this cute neckline and they have this cute detail here. I would pair them with these shoes. This is the next outfit. I love this sweater. I love the color and the stripes. It's so cute. I don't know. I pair it with this skirt and the shoes and you're good to go. The sweater is so eye-catching, a very true winter color. Okay, next we have this, I don't know, can you call this already pattern on pattern? I don't think so. This is a printed tee. This is, I guess, from my grandmother, but I think you can wear it these days. I love how flowy it is, and this is Tokyo, or at least Japan inspired. I love Japan. I love Korea. This was just perfect. If it's getting a bit colder outside, I would wear a white turtleneck underneath this just to have a nice layering situation. But yeah, that's the outfit. I think this bag also fits this outfit. I don't know. I just love the bag. So yeah, that's it. Please subscribe if you like fashion and true winter color palette inspiration. Hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.